Welcome to the free 5-day Tai Chi challenge for balance, designed to help you start your day with more energy, less stress, and a calm mind in 8 minutes per day. Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT. I've been teaching Tai Chi for over 10 years to thousands of students from all over the world. With this challenge, you're going to experience Tai Chi movements designed to gently stretch the body, improve balance, and create mental clarity to help you have a fulfilling day. Here's how it works. Over the next 5 days, I'll be sending you an email with the direct link to each video where you can just click on the link to watch, press play, and just follow along. It's that simple. This challenge is designed for all levels, so if you're wanting to learn Tai Chi the fun and easy way and connect with thousands of other like-minded people, then join me for the free 5-day Tai Chi challenge for balance. Just click the first link in the video description below and sign up for free. I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you over there.